Okay guys, welcome back. So today I got another review. I'm going to be using the Tatcha that I got in my Ipsy bag. So it says, Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Filter Finish Protective Primer. It retails for $52. It says one of the most important beauty lessons Halsey has learned from her years in the spotlight, the power of primer. I've never used primer. Never knew about primer, so I'm going to be trying this for the first time. This one is from Tatcha. This one from Tatcha is a favorite thanks to blurring silk extract, mattifying silk power, and a velvety texture that grips foundation for all day wear. And it says, Halsey's tip, try this on no makeup days too. It will make your skin look silky and smooth. So I'm just going to open this because I have not opened it yet. I like the little box. And then it also has directions. And there's also in foil. They package their stuff really well. So in this paper that came in, it says, Dear friend, one of the most mesmerizing sights I've witnessed is a geisha in her full performance makeup. With flawless white skin, rosebud red lips, and impeccably lined eyes. I can't say that name, so anyway. It says, I am honored to introduce the modern evolution of this practice. The silk canvas is an invisible filter that instantly blurs, primes, protects, color corrects, and includes our anti-aging Haida C3 complex of green tea, rice, and algae. This unique balm imparts a soft focused glow and protects skin from impurities in the environment and cosmetics. It slips on velvety smooth and can be worn alone for pure silken skin or under makeup for flawless, prolonged wear. And then it says, for more information about our collection and timeless beauty secrets that inspired it, please visit Tatcha.com. And it says, P.S. With every purchase you make, you help brighten the future of a girl in a developing country. One full-size skincare purchase equals one day of school. Tatcha is proud to partner with Room to Read to make this change possible. And then it says to use, glide the round scoop across the surface until the primer reaches the lined mark. Warm between fingertips and press into skin in upper strokes. Use as the last step in skincare before makeup. So, in this came this little round thing, and it says to scoop it to the line. So we're going to scoop to this line. I like the, so pretty. And here's how it looks. Okay, so I have it to the line. And it is a scoop in upward motions. Of course, it went on the other side too, so. I'm going to rub this in with my fingers, just so I can get it all. So I might just try this without foundation to see how it works. But I do have to get ready because I have to leave here shortly. I moved all my makeup around, so I'm having to find everything. And so much stuff. So I'm just gonna put some eyeliner on. And the eyeshadow. I'm going to blend the bottom first. I'm just a very basic type person. I don't wear a whole lot of makeup. Alright guys, so I had the primer on. Can't really see it. So I'm gonna wear this when I go out, and then I will come back and let y'all know how I like it. And then you'll be able to see me once I get home to see if it's still silky looking. So far, it looks like I have makeup on. I just had this bright light on. So we'll see how this works when I get back. I'm gonna flatten my hair, and I'll see y'all here in a bit. Okay guys, so it still looks the same. It didn't like smudge off. It's not greasy. My face looks shiny. It always looks